Hi friends, today we are making microwave Turkish Bulgur Pilavı, a cheap, cozy, tomato-rich grain dish that tastes like it simmered on the stove. It is hearty, fast, and perfect when you want real comfort from pantry ingredients. This recipe makes 4 servings and takes about 25 minutes. Let us walk through the ingredients for this simple Turkish pantry pilav. 1 cup coarse bulgur gives the dish its nutty bite and keeps it affordable and filling. 1 small yellow onion, finely diced, builds a sweet base even though we are cooking quickly in the microwave. 1 green Turkish pepper or Anaheim pepper, diced, adds the classic gentle green pepper flavor you find in many Turkish home dishes. 1 tablespoon tomato paste brings deep color and the savory backbone of a Turkish-style pilav. 1 tablespoon olive oil helps the onion, pepper, and tomato paste soften into a richer base. 1 tablespoon butter gives the bulgur a soft, rounded finish and a little comforting richness. 1 teaspoon sweet paprika adds warmth and strengthens that beautiful orange-red color. 1 teaspoon kosher salt seasons the grains from the inside as they absorb the hot water. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper gives a gentle earthy heat without taking over. 1 3/4 cups hot water steam the bulgur quickly and evenly in the microwave. 2 tablespoons chopped parsley make the finished pilav fresh and bright. 1 lemon, cut into wedges, is served on the side so every plate can get a fresh squeeze. We begin the preparation by adding 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 small finely diced yellow onion, and 1 diced green Turkish pepper to a large microwave-safe glass bowl. Stir them together so the vegetables are lightly coated. Now that the vegetables are coated, cover the bowl loosely and microwave on high power for 3 minutes, until the onion looks glossy and the pepper has started to soften. Carefully lift the cover away from you because steam will escape. Stir in 1 tablespoon tomato paste until it stains the onion and pepper deep red. With the tomato paste mixed in, add 1 tablespoon butter, 1 teaspoon sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Stir again so the butter sits against the warm vegetables and the spices spread evenly. Microwave this seasoned tomato base uncovered for 1 minute. This short burst deepens the tomato paste and melts the butter into the vegetables. Now add 1 cup coarse bulgur directly to the hot tomato base. Stir well, scraping the bottom and sides, until every grain is tinted orange red. Pour in 1 3/4 cups hot water. Stir slowly so the bulgur is evenly distributed and the seasoning dissolves into the liquid. Cover the bowl loosely again, leaving a small vent for steam. Microwave on high power for 8 minutes, letting the bulgur absorb the seasoned liquid. After 8 minutes, carefully uncover the bowl and stir from the edges into the center. The mixture should be thicker, with some liquid still visible at the bottom. Cover the bowl loosely once more and microwave on high power for 4 minutes, until the grains are tender and most of the liquid has disappeared. Now that the cooking is done, keep the bowl covered and let it rest for 5 minutes. This rest is important because the steam finishes the texture and keeps the bulgur fluffy instead of wet. After the rest, uncover the bowl and fluff the bulgur gently with a fork. Lift and separate the grains instead of mashing them down. Sprinkle in 2 tablespoons chopped parsley and fold it through gently, saving the fresh green color for the end. To close the cooking, spoon the pilav onto a shallow plate and add the lemon wedges on the side. The microwave has done all the work, and the Turkish Bulgur Pilavı is ready to serve. Here is our microwave Turkish Bulgur Pilavı, fluffy, savory, and bright with parsley and lemon. It delivers exactly what we wanted at the start, a cheap pantry meal that feels warm, filling, and homemade. Serve it with yogurt, salad, or grilled vegetables, and if you enjoyed this microwave shortcut, like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more easy recipes.